Now we'll talk a bit about multimodal logistics, which is gaining traction in India. Based on your experience, sir, like what are the criteria that should companies use to decide whether they should whether to shift from rail to from road to rail or coastal routes?
In my experience, multimodal multimodal transportation opting are always welcome based on if our volume are predictable and it is a voluminous traffic, because somehow even in a based on rail services, I must say that it has been improved at least last 5 years tremendously, considering to previously operating mode. We have to consider the transit days as well. So let's say it is also perfectly feasible for hub and spoke model. Say from I have been making some additional stock buffering in my regional distribution center with a predictable volume, let's say 5,000 or 6,000 tonnage per month. So as an alternate backup, definitely if I consider or if I adjust with my 1 or 2 days of additional transit time, we can have at least 6 to 7% of freight cost saving through the rail option. But we have to oversee the damage percentage ratio of the rail option, because sometimes this is also become a challenges in a rail operation, because there remains a multi-loading or multi-handling or cross-docking or transshipment opportunity during the road journey. But things remains manageable. So in such a way, we have also utilized and saved the freight in a multimodal way. Also, it's become a trap because sometimes, let's say, during the effect or during the period of Pongal in January, so entire South market remains disturbed, mainly uh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, so Karnataka. So in some of the periods, if you are sending stocks and an alternate bakery, we can choose the pathway of railway, which is equally cost saving and serving your journey.